Haidian International Chinese Ed. Group. The sea connects rivers, blending ancient and modern China with foreign lands. Haidian Foreign Chinese Education Group adheres to the idea of integrating the strengths of Chinese and Western education, integrates high-quality educational resources, and provides children aged 3 to 18 with integrated Chinese and Western education and all-round personalization. Diversified growth space. Haidian Foreign Chinese is committed to cultivating an international perspective. Global talents with diverse knowledge, moral values as global citizens, and a strong base in Chinese culture have built a unique model of international education in China. Chinese culture nourishes overseas students. This is the source of self-identity and respect in a pluralistic world. Reflecting Chinese cultural heritage, Haidian Foreign Chinese blends China's cultural traditions with global influences. To foster a language-rich learning setting for students. Provide opportunities for learning experiences in a multicultural context and improve student communication. Capability to engage globally. Enhance students' problem-solving and value creation skills. Cultivate students with an international perspective and a global mind. Haidian Foreign Chinese Education Group has Beijing Haidian Foreign Chinese Experimental School in Beijing. His kindergarten at Beijing Haidian Foreign Chinese Experimental School. Wuhan Campus. Hainan Campus. Jingbei Campus, New Jersey Campus, Michigan, USA. North Carolina Campus, USA. As well as the establishment of language practice bases in the United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, Germany, France, the United States, and other countries. The whole world is a place for us to learn, and every student is unique. Haidian Foreign Chinese respects the different personalities and choices of each student, and the school provides students with different class types to choose from and shoots more than 100 kinds of elective courses. Open as many smart windows as possible for your child, allowing them to find their place and interests in constant exposure and cognition. Lay a solid foundation for their diversified development. In teaching, in order to maximize the potential of students and respect the individualized development of students, Haidian Foreign Chinese carries out inquiry-based cooperative learning activities, taking students as the main body of learning. Through independent analysis, exploration, practice, questioning, creation, and mind-opening. Besides fostering innovation, we also prioritize nurturing students' spiritual and cultural growth. Shape a sound personality, stimulate creativity and imagination, and promote the development of students' personality. The group runs a school, from sports, art, and technology, and every student is qualified to play one or more sports. Specialize further study in arts, science and technology or language specialties, so that every student all take a path of erudition and talent. In Haidian Foreign Chinese, every child will become the best version of themselves. When every child becomes the best version of themselves, the future must be defined by them.